Hello, in this video we're gonna check the size of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and compare it with my hands. To do this, I brought this card that is the same size as any credit or debit card just to help you see the size of my hands and compare it with yours. Now we can pick up this phone and show you it from all angles. First, let's start when the phone is actually folded. And now let's try to unfold it and then check it in the full size. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.